wind blowed my damn porch off. Plumb. Gone. My carport, I don't know where it's at. It's gone.
I think I saw your carport over on the next street.
I bet it was.
Can he have it?
How strong were the winds?
They said it was up to 150 miles an hour.
What's your opinion on that?
Well, like 250. My whole house shook.
What time did it happen?
2 o'clock in the morning, I ain't had a lick of sleep since. I'm so tired I'm left-handed.
Now, can you describe the shaking?
Well, I thought it felt like about 50 people was dancing on the floor. Terrible.
What kind of dance? Like the waltz or break
Hell
dancing?
no, I believe there's break dancing. Like everything broke right after it. Plumb broke.
Have you ever been through anything like this in your life, Dad?
Once. Tornado.
What year was that?
1949.
Dad, you were 4.
I know.
How do you remember that?
I remember the airplanes from Tradewinds Airport up in the trees over on South Birmingham. I remember. You can look it up in the Amarillo Globe News archives. They'll have pictures of it. I seen it.
You seen the archives or you saw the planes?
I saw the planes. Yeah, I was just a little boy.
So what are you going to do now?
I'm gonna sit on my porch and rock till the insurance pays for all this mess. If they don't pay for it, I'm just gonna sit there and rock and not have a porch.
What was your first reaction when you woke up to it?
Mama, I didn't even have nothing but my drawers on. I sure did. Sure hoped it didn't blow the house away.